My name is John Dreyer.
My name is Carol Mata.
My name is Jonathan Raj.
My name is Nolan Williard.
My name is Harman Kaur Wadhwa, and I'm a third year at UC in Biomedical Engineering.
I'm currently going into my 5th year as a biomedical engineering student at the University of Cincinnati.
I'm a graduate of UC's engineering program, class of 2024.
I am a UC graduate. My undergraduate was biomedical engineering.
I'm a graduate of the UC engineering program, class of 2001. And I think UC's co-op program is second to none. It was, obviously a big benefit for me. And I know that it's having a big impact on our business as well as the individual co-ops and the experience that they gain, whether they go on to be a part of AtriCure or they go off to become surgeons or do other things in the world.
Going through the experience of working full-time, being given important responsibilities, connecting with people who have years of experience in a field that you're interested in can really change the way that you think about your future.
Co-oping at AtriCure has taught me what it is like to be an engineer, that it is a lot of people skills. So just like being able to get out there, talk to people, communicate with them, you get to have different experiences, and it kind of like tells you what you want to do after graduation.
We utilize our co-ops as full-time employees. This is not a co-op experience where they're going to be put in a corner and given menial tasks. They are an integral part of the team.
We have over 30 total engineering co-ops, so they're just a big part of the backbone of AtriCure at this point. So many people value the work that they provide, so we have one in every department, on almost every team. I did not co-op at AtriCure, but I did co-op at other local companies. I firmly believe in the co-op program. I think it really has set me up to be the engineer I am today. It helped me learn what engineering opportunities there are, but there's just so many facets.
I've loved every single rotation I've had. I've done a stint in quality operations. My 4th rotation was in product development for our cryo products. These two have been great experiences, and I've really enjoyed the product development side of things.
I had a couple of co-op advisors during my time at UC that were extremely helpful for helping me understand what it meant to apply to a co-op program. We also had a couple of co-op classes which kind of taught us the foundational skills needed to apply to co-ops and also how to function day-to-day as an employee at a company.
So we take something called a CAD class. It was like an overview of all the different parts in biomedical. So the CAD side of things, the electrical side of things, how to solder something. You go into your co-op and they kind of expect you to know these things.
I took circuits and sensing, and those actually are helping me right now because I'm doing more with electronics. My first couple rotations, learning about the FDA and the design process, which then helped me in my early medical device design classes and having a baseline.
AtriCure, we really like to build a culture of hungry, humble, passionate people, and our partnership with UC helped to build into that. And so we want to continue to maintain those relationships and the growth that we've seen already.
My name is John Dreyer.
My name is Jonathan Raj.
My name is Nolan Williard.
My name is Harman Kaur Wadhwa.
My name is Carol Mata, and I'm a Bearcat for life.